So now we're discussing this hopeful, waiting lover. So she ornaments, and she's gone out. In other words, there's somewhat of a progression in some of these. Every lover will have to go out to meet the beloved. So every gopi runs out to meet Krishna. He plays on the flute, the murli, and they run out for the rasa dance. So they're running. So every single gopi is an abhisarika gopi. There's 16,000 girls running down the footpath to meet Krishna, and they're all on abhisar. Means love, journey to meet the lover. The beloved's journey or the lover's journey to meet the beloved. Traveling, she's moving from point to point. And most of the other conditions are the gopis in one place. So there's a gopi going from point to point, which means from Yavat to Kunj, or cave in Govardhan, or Radhakund, or anywhere in Ashtakali Leela Stalis of the Braj Mandal, where Radha and Krishna have Milan. So gopis leave from Yavat, or they leave from Yavat. Go ahead. I'll try. They leave from Yavat or Varsana. So the gopis are going from point to point, from place to place. Yavat to the Kunj, or Yavat to the meeting place. Meeting place is anywhere in Vrindavan or Govardhan or Radhakund, or so many places that can be. Anywhere. Leela Stali can be anywhere in Braj. So that all those gopis that are going to meet Krishna, wherever he is, in the afternoon or morning or evening or late evening, or for rasa dance, all of them are, at that time, the mood, the bhav, it's a bhav, nayaka bhav. Their feeling of anticipation, of excitement, of fear of getting caught, or fear of getting blocked or stopped by their superiors, or what to speak of fear that maybe they're running out to meet Krishna, and they may be a little fearful that he won't be there, because he said the gopis and Krishna arranged to meet at a particular place, and Radharani's there, and Krishna knows where to go to meet her, and all the gopis know. But on his way, Krishna gets hijacked. His plane gets hijacked by a gopi terrorist, and she flies him off to Gauri Tirtha, and they land in the Gauri Tirtha airport. And then that terrorist terrorizes Krishna in the Kunja. Her name is Chandravali. So then Krishna is late for his meeting. So he was innocent until proven guilty. But he was innocent when he left his house. So he left his house, and he wasn't going on Abhisar, because Abhisar means going to meet the beloved, going on a journey to meet the beloved who is waiting for me in a pre-appointed place. So the Abhisarika, although Krishna also meets Radharani occasionally here and there. Of course, mantris don't want to see it that way. Gaudiyas will always see that Krishna is running to Radharani. We'd like to see it that way. But it's not happening that way much. Because these are called Nayaka Bhavs.